Whirlpool range model WVW51UC0FS troubleshooting. With 3 fan speeds, this 400 CFM motor-class wall-mount kitchen hood provides the right ventilation for every meal you prepare and looks good while doing so. Long-lasting LED task lighting shines a bright light to show you what's cooking, and a grease filter helps traps unwanted grease and odors. The range hood's convertible ventilation means you can vent vapors and odors outside or filter them and recirculate the air, depending on your kitchen ventilation system setup. When venting at low speed, sound levels can get as low as 44 dBA. Troubleshooting. Nothing works. If your entire range won't turn on, check for a power issue. Make sure the range's power cord is plugged into an operational, grounded outlet. You can test the outlet by plugging a small appliance like a lamp into it and seeing if it turns on. If the outlet doesn't have power, check your home circuit breaker or fuse box and reset the breaker or replace a blown fuse as necessary. Consult an electrician if the range still won't turn on. Stovetop doesn't work. If the cooktop portion of your range won't operate, ensure that you've set the control knob properly. You must push the knob in to turn it to a setting. If your model has a control panel instead of knob, ensure that you've touched the display area on the panel to select one of the burners before choosing a function. For models with ceramic glass cooktops, verify that the control lockout feature hasn't been set. This setting locks all of the controls so the cooktop won't operate. Usually, the control panel will indicate that the setting is engaged with locked on the display. Consult your owner's manual to determine what pads need to be pressed to unlock the controls. Oven doesn't work. When your range's oven won't operate, start your troubleshooting by verifying that the electronic oven control is set properly. Check your owner's manual to determine the proper way to set your model's controls when using the oven. Next, make sure that the range's delay start feature, which programs the oven to turn on at a future time, hasn't been activated. The oven also won't operate if the control lockout feature has been set. Check your owner's manual to see how to unlock the controls if necessary. Makes strange noises. You may hear some noises that cause concern when your range is in operation. They are often normal operating sounds. If your range features a convection oven, you may hear a humming sound when cooking at high power. The sound should quiet or go away completely when you turn down the power. With a ceramic glass cooktop, you may hear a whirring sound during use. The cooktop has a fan that runs at various speeds to keep the electronics at a controlled temperature. It may continue to run after the cooktop is turned off, if the temperature is very high.